Welcome this video. Outdoor kitchen design idea with built in Blackstone introducing an outdoor kitchen is the perfect way to extend your living space and enhance your backyard experience. Whether you are entertain guests or simple enjoy a main outdoor with family and valve design. Outdoor kitchen can elevate your cook game. One of the most popular ad to outdoor kitchen is the built-in backstone. Now, for its versatile and high preference cook, the backstone allow you to property or wide value of mean with enjoy the fresh air. In this aesthetic, we will explore design outdoor kitchen. Consider the location careful. Here are a few key functional to keep in mind. Wind and versatile that smoke and fund for the grilled and away for set area. Shut side. Consider add the pergola gazebo or an overhand to protect allow for from set area. Home possibility the outdoor kitchen your indoor kitchen will make its more economics and food provide and tranquil view and embrace. Set up your kitchen where you can enjoy view if into your landscape for a seamless look. Design the layout. The layout of your outdoor kitchen should by both and style. Here are a few outdoor layout. Set line design. A simple space safe design that work well again a wall and finish. L shape layout often adds space and more cooking area. Joseph layout idea for long space provide of room for application area and design. Cook that allow gas growth area while your look control and story solved and appear space is essential then incorporating a built in Blackstone Glory. Consider the follow material. Conclusion. Customized wood and modern. Sleep or simple and clean. Provide a rustic and clean look. Double hard resting and aesthetic place. For stone add waterproof cabin and divide to keep look and clean, hard, stone, cabin, and experience. Choose of layout white. Incorporating add functional. To create a full functional outdoor kitchen, consider add those elegant. Build and sleep. Make. Add. Keep up. And add convince. Mini reference. Keep blend. And introducing look. Outdoor bring. Enhance the elements experience with set and convince space. Lights. Install ideal height paints lights and under canvas light for night time. Look. Fall and surrounding design. Choose fall that is sleep resisting, weather resisting, and easy to clean. Natural stone. Two elements. Sticky canvas. Often design versatile and dirt away. A classic and customizable option. For design, introducing plants outdoor furniture and fairing to create a welcome embrace. Add a thropping or surrounding setup can enhance the outdoor entrance experience. Main entrance and care long of your outdoor kitchen at Blackstone. Follow those main entrance type. Cover the kitchen area with waterproof cover to protect for rain. Clean and grain resisting by seasoning if with all after each use provide range. stone to range for weather resisting inclusion, a well designed outdoor kitchen with a built-in Blackstone Grill can transforming your outdoor backyard into ultimate and main entrance hub by a careful design layout. Many mileages, material, functional, and main entrance you can create a double design and high functional outdoor cook space. Whether you are have long gathering to or enjoy quick by outdoor kitchen while become a favorite stone of cook and make memory. Thank you for watching this amazing video.